Good morning guys, welcome back to another beautiful day in the Philippines. It is looking good, looking fresh. I'm staying in the Gecko Hotel here in Moalboal, and I'm just checking out because they're fully booked for tonight, so I couldn't rebook the room. So yeah, just got myself packed up, everything's ready to go, and we're gonna head to the next hotel. Another roasting hot day in the Philippines. Just one thing to be mindful of whenever you're like traveling around, like moving your stuff from hotel to hotel. People will unfortunately lie to you. And it's just, you have to kind of use a bit of initiative and common sense and just like your gut instinct to work out whether that person's lying to you or not. For example, I just checked out of the Gecko and I was just walking down the road with all my stuff, and they're asking me if I need a tricycle. I'm like, no, it's okay, I'm just walking to my hotel, it's just down here. It's Pescador. He was like, oh, but if you want to take a bike, it's fine. It's a 20-minute walk down there. I'll drive you. It's not a 20-minute walk, it's a 2-minute walk. I know they're just trying to make money and trying to like earn a living, but there's also a line between lying and making an honest living. And I'm more so towards the side of, you know, making an honest living and not lying to people. You know, at the end of the day, you have to be truthful and honest. If you are traveling, just be mindful that people will try and rip you off. If you're not feeling it, if you don't want to be talking to that person, just walk away. That's all. Rant over. Enjoy the Philippines. Okay, and just to balance out that last point, you will also find really, really lovely, accommodating, warm, friendly people here in the Philippines. Like people just chilling there, asking have I just arrived. So you'll get both ends of the spectrum. I guess it's like anywhere you go, you know, you get people on one hand who like deceive you, and then people on the other hand who say hello, be friendly, like, you know, super welcoming and warming. Yeah, you get it both. So here we are, Pescadores. Alright. Oh, this is the reception?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. It's just like that, you know. So here we go. We've got 876 followers. Let's get checked in.
Yeah.
This little suite is two rooms, and then there's one shared bathroom with the other one. Doesn't really have a view. Let's see what's out here. Nope, more rooms. Just top, yeah.
By the way, I forgot to inform you that we still have one room available, which has a private bathroom.
Cool, we got an upgrade for 300 pesos.
Okay. You're a vlogger?
Yes, I do vlogs.
Oh,
yeah.
do you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, I do, yeah.
What's your YouTube channel and subscribe?
It's my name, James Morrison.
James Morrison.
And then just make sure you're searching in the channels.
Don't worry, I'll subscribe your YouTube channel.
Yeah. Got a new subscriber for YouTube. Take two. Check out the pool and the sea view. There we go, you can probably see the background a bit better. When the aperture is 2.8, you can't really see the background, it blurs it out, but I've just changed the ND filter around so there's more light getting in, which bumps the aperture up, which means the background comes in focus. So a little tip if you're learning how to shoot on video, you need an ND filter, especially in really, really bright conditions. You want to have some flexibility. So this is the Pescador Island out there. Such a stunning little view, you've just seen it there, really nice. Got a view of Pescador Island. It's got like a little boat sitting out in the water, super calm water, beautiful turquoise colour, blue skies, gorgeous green palm trees. Oh, a little paradise in the Philippines. Today's just gonna be super chill. Like I'm actually exhausted and I feel like my sinuses are all funny because I've been diving and snorkeling and scuba diving, and I feel like I'm getting a bit of a flu, so I'm just gonna have a super chill day and just take it easy, to be honest. Head up now, get a bit of lunch and just enjoy the sun, take it easy. I was pretty tired after Moalboal, so I took a little bit of a break from vlogging. Just took a couple of days off. Back into the vlogs today. Gonna head up to Mango Square now in Cebu, which is like a shopping area. Super excited for Siargao. Everyone I've spoken to has been saying like how much they love it there, how much they enjoy it in Siargao. I cannot function without a coffee in the morning. Like, as soon as I wake up, I'm like groggy and half asleep. And then as soon as I get a coffee, that's me ready to go. Feeling good, super hot in Cebu. Like, the weather in the Philippines has been amazing since I've got here. Barely seen a drop of rain since I've arrived here, and that was like over a week ago. It's rained like probably once, a tiny little bit. Alright guys, that's just checking out of our suite. Just one night stay here, just super basic. Just to get the head down, overnight stop. If you're traveling, catching a flight in the Philippines, just give yourself an extra 45 minutes to an hour just for any unforeseen events or traffic or anything like that. 300 and something pesos from Cebu City up to the airport. Alright guys, just boarding the flight to Siargao. It's a 1 hour flight from Cebu City. Next stop will be Siargao. Arrived in Siargao. Super quick again. Everything's fast today. The flight was super quick, check-in was super quick, security was super quick, exiting the plane was super quick. We arrived at Soliana Resort. It was about a 40-minute drive from the airport, so we'll get checked in, get into the room. Alright, here we go guys, just arrived in Siargao. It's 1 week here. I've just got checked into the hotel. It's called Soliana. This is it, so nice. We've got like a nice sort of modern bathroom. Spacious, and we've got double bed. Like, the thing is, like, these don't cost a lot to build, like these little like villa bungalows, and they're charging like $45 a night, and that's off season as well. Super, you know, it's super clever. If you buy some land in the Philippines and build a couple of these, they probably cost like, you know, $2,000 to build. You're charging $45 a night. You're covering your cost in like a month and a half, 2 months. That's a good investment. That's a really good investment. Actually tempted to buy some land in the Philippines. And the areas, it's like a half-baked island, like half of the roads are still missing. You know, some of the infrastructure's here, but it's also super busy, and there's a lot of tourism here as well. There's a surf competition on this week and also on the weekend. So a lot of people are here, especially in off-season, and the island's half-built, so to me it sounds like a good plan to buy some land and build something in Siargao. I'm gonna go find a spot to fly the drone and get it up into the air. It's pretty clear, like it's not too cloudy. It's still good lighting, so sunset will be in about an hour. So we'll get the drone up, get some drone shots for you. I've only been on the island like an hour and a half, and I already get such a good vibe just being here. Like it's quite strange actually. You just kind of get a vibe or something and you just pick up on it. I don't know what it is, but I picked up on a good vibe. So I'm pretty excited to like get out and explore the island. I'll not do too much tonight. It'll be super chill, but tomorrow and the rest of the week will be full on. So let's go find somewhere to fly the drone and get some drone shots. All the kids that come out, I was planning the drone and the ball like them out. There you go. Too cute with all the kids, and they're all so funny, all so cute. They were going crazy for the camera as well. Oh, it's so good. Yeah, so it gets dark pretty fast once the sun goes down, so just gonna get back to Soliana Resort. One thing I have noticed, just compared to like Malapascua and Moalboal and even just Cebu itself, like no one bothers you here. Like people are not trying to sell you something, they're not trying to get you into a car or a taxi or a motorbike. People just leave you be. I haven't had one person approach me yet asking to sell me something, which has been quite nice. After like being inundated with stuff in Moalboal, like it's actually quite nice just to not have people like constantly asking you like, do you want a taxi, do you want a tuk-tuk, do you want a car? So it's actually you know, it's pretty good actually. I like it. Alright guys, thank you again for tuning in to another day here in the Philippines. There was a surf competition on today, so I think they're having like an award ceremony down at the main square down there, so I'll go down and check that out. But yeah, it just arrived today and I'm super excited to get stuck into Siargao and really discover what it has to offer. So guys, if it is the first time you've watched my video, you do like the content, you do like what I'm doing, hit that subscribe button, comment, share, like, all the usual stuff guys. It helps me grow the channel, helps me keep me motivated, helps just push the content out and keep making it for you guys, because that's what I love to do. Thank you again, good night.